Dish soap SnowHack. Stop ice and snow sticking for $2. Summary. A simple surfactant solution, warm water mixed with a few drops of dish soap, creates a low adhesion surface that prevents snow and ice from bonding to glass, painted metal, and plastic trim. Applied as a thin spray and allowed to evaporate, 5 to 10 minutes, the surfactant forms a microscopic lubricating layer so flakes slide off rather than freeze to the vehicle. The method works proactively, apply the night before, or reactively, spray and wait a few minutes, and is effective on windshields, roofs, hoods, mirrors, windows, door handles, and walkways. Preparation and application: fill a 250 ml spray bottle with warm water, add about 3 drops of dish soap, adjust slightly for larger bottles, 12 drops per liter, swirl gently to avoid foam, spray evenly in thin passes along the grain or across the glass, wait 5 to 10 minutes for evaporation, and test with a small amount of snow. Reapply after heavy snowfall or every few days during extended storms. Benefits and limitations: the solution is cheap, non-toxic, biodegradable, and safe for paint, glass, and plastic when used sparingly. It reduces scraping, wiper wear, and the need for chemical deicers. Over-application can cause streaks or reduced glass clarity. Avoid thick coats and wipe excessive visible. For extreme conditions, combine with a light cover or repeat applications as needed. Historical and scientific basis: traditional practices, diluted soap, animal fats, ash solutions, historically reduced ice adhesion on sleds and wagons. Modern surface science explains that surfactants reduce interfacial adhesion by disrupting hydrogen bonding between ice and substrate, producing the observed sliding effect. Practical tips: store the mixture at room temperature and warm before use if slightly thickened, treat larger surfaces in parallel passes for full coverage, adjust drop count and spray distance based on vehicle size and local conditions, keep a spray bottle in the garage or trunk for quick use. This approach is best as a preventive, low-cost supplement to, but not a complete replacement for, mechanical removal in extreme icing events.